Today, I want to offer this psalm of lament and praise in the time of coronavirus. Let us pray. How shall we praise you, Lord our God, when we are locked down? How shall we praise you? When the doors to your house are barred and your people cannot assemble. When those desperately in need of money and work cannot even wait in the marketplace. When we have to circle round people in the street and to queue for shops maintaining safe distance. When we can only communicate by hearing on the phone or seeing on the screen or digitally messaging or even just waving through a window. When we cannot meet our parents and children, grandparents and grandchildren, or other family members and friends. When we cannot touch them in their flesh and blood to know they are really alive. How shall we praise you? How, like Thomas, shall we not see yet believe that your Son is raised among us? How shall we praise you? How can I praise you, Lord? Are you plaguing us with this virus to punish us because we have all done wrong, or thought wrongly, or felt wrongly, or just been wrong? If so, why do only some die, and those apparently the ones who are the least worst or most caring amongst us? Or are you trying to teach us a lesson? If so, why is it so hard to learn? And how are we to find the answer when we do not even know the question? Or are you still the same loving God, coming to us in our sufferings and opening up the way to new life in Jesus? Lord, I will try to praise you through gritted teeth. I will try to praise you. I will try to remember that you have created all things, and this virus is part of your creation. I will try not to hate it, but seek to mitigate its harm. I will try to keep myself and others safe. I will work to pray for them and seek to help in whatever way I can. Lord, when I cannot pray or worship, help me be aware of all your people and your saints and angels hovering around me, lifting me up. When I feel alone, let me feel you near me, even if only for a moment that enables me to go on. Let me hear you say, "Peace be with you." Lord, I will praise you. Let all the peoples praise you.